The Pixel 6 Pro has been a device that we've all been excited for since the moment Google announced it months ago. The Team Pixel team sent me a unit early, so here's my quick unboxing and honest opinion on this new device. I kind of like the color scheme they have going on here. It's kind of like a blue turquoise, ocean blue type of color scheme. That's kind of nice. You can kind of see the icons, the new like widgets that they have this year, which is pretty cool, including the new weather widget and stuff. And as you can see here, we have the Google Pixel 6 Pro and the Google Pixel 6 Pro case from Google. So let me go ahead and remove that device from the box. And there we go. That's how it looks like. As you can see, it looks probably as thin as the actual like iPhone 13 Pro Max box. So that probably indicates that there's no charger in here or charging brick. There's probably charging cables. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it. We got to pull this tape here. Let me do that. Okay, get that out here. Okay, whoa, okay, that looks much better in person, I gotta say, because in pictures, I've realized a lot of devices just look a little bit off. I appreciate companies going for like a unique design, but sometimes in pictures, you really can't really see the extent of the design. And with the Pixel 6 Pro, just looking at this device right now, it looks a lot better in person. Laying this device on a flat surface, you can see that the display kind of curves down to the stainless steel sides. This is actually my first time actually looking at this phone, and it looks a lot better in person, to be honest with you. It seems to be that the stainless steel sides don't seem to be as much of a fingerprint magnet compared to the stainless steel sides that you had on the iPhone 13 Pro series, which I really do appreciate, because if sometimes you don't like to use a case on your device, you're not gonna have those really ugly fingerprint smudges all around your phone. As I'm waiting for the device to turn on and do all that setting up stuff, I put it side by side the Pixel 5a and Pixel 5 so you can have an idea of the size difference. And as you can see here, it is a lot larger than the Pixel 5, but it's not that much larger than the Pixel 5a. So if you're coming from one of those previous devices, that's probably what you can expect. Holding them, I do like the matte finish of the Pixel 5a and Pixel 5 as well. But I do like the look of the new Google Pixel 6 Pro. So I finally have the phone fully set up and it's on, and check out the home screen. When you first set up this device, that is a wallpaper you can expect, or maybe Google switches up the wallpapers depending on the individual or the account, I don't know, but that's a wallpaper that I got with my Pixel 6 Pro. Aside from that, I can't really talk too much about the device. Stay tuned, because I am going to be doing a review, especially on that new camera system, as soon as I can. So stay tuned by clicking on that subscribe button and that notification button. That way you know when a video drops on this channel. With that said, I'm so excited to test out the Pixel 6 Pro, especially that camera system. I'm looking at this telephoto lens and it's like really deep in there. It's really large. It's a lot bigger than I actually thought, especially looking at it in pictures and now in person. And then you can also see this like antenna band for 5G. That's a lot bigger than I thought. I don't mind this white that they chose for the antenna band. It's a little bit of a different, I'd say, tone of white than the back of this device. I feel like they should have just let it spill over rather than make it its own little dedicated thing. But again, I am not a designer here and I'm not the Team Pixel team, so you know, I can't really say much about that aside from my opinion. But yeah, that is practically it for this video. Those are my impressions on the Pixel 6 Pro. The device looks really clean. It's a lot better looking in person. So if you looked at pictures and you're like, oh, that looks a little bit odd, look at it in person and you're gonna realize that, yeah, it's actually a pretty cool design. And I feel like it stands out from a lot of other Android devices in the market. And that's probably what Google was going for. They wanted to make a phone that screams Pixel. And I feel like this is a design language you're gonna go for a lot of devices upcoming. They're probably done with this matte finish here, and they're probably moving forward with this glossy, super giant camera bump that goes across the entire device look. And I think it's pretty nice and innovative. And yeah, I can't really wait to see what the Pixel 6a is gonna look like. Maybe similar to this device, maybe not. And that's been my impressions and first look on the Pixel 6 Pro. I really can't wait to test out this phone the next few days alongside my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let me know if there's anything specific you'd like for me to cover on the channel on this device down in the comment section, because I'm gonna be there responding to all of you guys as soon as this video is over. I already plan on doing a full in-depth camera review on this device. That's gonna drop very soon, so stay tuned by clicking on that bell icon and subscribe button. That way you're notified every time I drop a new video on the channel. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing all of you in the next video. Bye.